Hey guys, welcome to another Clean With Me video. This morning I'm changing my sheets, doing some speed cleaning of the bathroom and the kitchen. I'm still new to vlogging, so let me know in the comments what you want to see, and please do comment, like and subscribe. It's 5 a.m. and I'm starting off with changing the sheets, making the bed and tidying the bedroom. Shout out for the day. Thank you to Eyeshadow Shopper for subscribing. She has a Clean With Me and Lifestyle channel. You can find her link below. I know it's early, but I really like to keep on top of things so my house isn't a total mess after a day at work. Who else is a full-time worker here? How do you plan in your housework? Please let me know in the comments so I can learn from you. it's time to do a speed cleaning of the bathroom. I put everything away in its place and I give the vanity a quick wipe down. It's also towel changing time. Last thing I want to get done today is the kitchen. After making breakfast and preparing lunch, it looks like a hot mess. I usually put the compost bin in the dishwasher, but it doesn't fit, so it gets a quick manual wipe down. Wiping down the cabinets keeps those greasy fingers away. And of course, some more food for my cats. Last on the list is cleaning out my sink. Some fresh towels and a quick vacuum, and I'm done. for today. Wishing you all a great day. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. See you soon!